Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into how you can get that sleek, distinctive Nothing OS Launcher experience on any Android 15 device, without needing root access. That's right, you heard me. If you've been eyeing Nothing's minimalist aesthetic and fluid interface, but don't own a Nothing phone, this video is for you. We'll be installing the latest Nothing OS 3.2.4 version of the launcher, packed with some fantastic features. Now, before we get started, a quick but important note. As you can see, I currently have Android 16 installed on my phone for testing purposes. However, please be aware that this specific Nothing OS launcher version is designed to work only on Android 15. First things first, you'll need the Nothing OS Launcher APK file. You can find the download link conveniently located in the video description below. Once downloaded, navigate to your file manager. Locate the downloaded APK file and tap on it. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to install the application. Go ahead and tap Install. After the installation is complete, you'll likely be prompted to choose a default launcher. Select Nothing Launcher from the options. If you don't see this prompt, don't worry. You can manually set it by going to Settings. And that's it. You should now be greeted by the Nothing OS Launcher on your Android 15 device. Pretty cool, right? Now, before you dive deep into customization, there's one known bug you should be aware of. You have to force stop the launcher to apply changes in customizations. Despite this small hiccup, the Nothing OS Launcher offers a truly unique and refreshing experience for your Android 15 device. It's a fantastic way to experience Nothing's vision without buying their hardware. This specific Nothing OS Launcher version, the 3.2.4, is primarily designed for and confirmed to work seamlessly only on Android 15 devices. If your phone is running Android 16 or any later version, this particular APK likely won't be compatible, and you might encounter issues or it simply won't install correctly. So, for the best and most stable experience with this launcher, please ensure your device is running Android 15. If you are on Android 15, then you're absolutely in the right place to give your phone a fresh new look. I've personally found it to be a fantastic alternative to many stock launchers out there. If you found this video helpful, if you learned something new, or if you're just excited to try out this launcher, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Android tips, tricks, customization guides, and much more. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Nothing OS Launcher once you've installed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.